Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the office chair. This is the standard office chair which everyone has at their home. Basically nothing wrong with this particular chair, and if you see, this chair is in good condition except this part, and there is a tear on the seat. I have two options. One option is either throw this chair away because this tear looks ugly, or fix this tear. So I'm going to show you how to fix this type of tear using the regular stuff available at the home, at your home. So basically what you need the black cloth, you need the scissor, you need the heavy duty stapler. This is to fix the cloth on the seat. Then you need the utility knife to remove the cover so that you can expose the Allen nuts or screws attached to the chair. Staples, in case if you don't have, you just need couple of staples. So I'm just showing you what kind of staples I'm going to use it. So staples, and last thing you need is basically the Allen screw. In this particular chair, to first what we are going to do is, first we are going to remove this entire seat, and how to do that. So basically for almost all chairs, if you see at the bottom, uh, there are four screws, one, two, three, and there is one more on this side, four. So this four screws you have to remove using the Allen screw. That is one part, and the second part is you have to remove this handle too, right? This one, the handrest. So to remove this handrest, you'll see that there are some covers on the handrest, and behind these covers there are screws which are attached to the chair. So if I take the utility knife and just remove this cover, it will expose the screw, and this screw you have to remove from this handrest. So there are like two on each side. You'll see this is one and this is another one. Let me remove this also, this cover, and here you go, there is a second one. So there are two screws. So basically four at the on the bottom, and four on the two on one side, two on other side. So total 8 screws you have to remove using the Allen screw. So once removed, the seat cushion will be available for fixing. So let me remove all these 4 screws, and then I'll show you how to fix that tear on the office chair seat. So I removed the screws from this side, 1 and 2 screws, and similarly I've removed other 2 screws from this side. So this is just, I want to show you that where it was. So after removing these 4 screws from the handrest, this entire assembly which is connected to the backrest will come out. So if you pull this little bit, it will come out like this. Just once you remove, keep it aside, and this is the chair seat which we are going to fix it. So what you have to do is, either you remove this entire chair seat by removing these 4 screws, 1 2 3 4, or you can just fix this as it is. So what you have to do is, you have to cut the cloth little bit of this size, means little bit bigger the size of this seat, and then let me show you how it will look. Something like this. I have not yet cut the cloth. Something like this, and then at the bottom you have to just staple it, and then again put the side rest. Of course, you have to make small cuts over here where the handrest goes, so that you can attach the handrest as well as the handrest to the seat. I am going to just replace the cloth on the seat and not on the backrest, because anyway I'm not we are using this chair in the study room where kids play, and I'm not very keen on showing the consistency on the seat as well as on the backrest. So let me cut the cloth, and I'll show you how to staple it on the seat and then how to assemble it again back. So I cut the cloth so that it can fit onto the seat of this chair which we are fixing, and the plan is to basically remove this base by unscrewing this screws. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cloth like this and then make hole over here, and then just screw this base so that this part will be secured enough on the seat. Same thing I will do it on this side also, like this. And then on this side I'm going to just revert back this like this and staple it all the way on this side as well as on that side. And then once that is done, we will basically attach the rest to this seat. So let me first remove remove this base and make the holes and reattach the base and show you how exactly it looks after doing that one. And I'll cover the stapling of the cloth to the base of the seat. As you see, the two sides of this entire cloth has been tucked in inside the base of this chair, and they've been screwed the way it was originally. So now there it is basically it is very tight. And in addition to that, I'm going to now staple this entire piece in a vertical way like this, using the stapler. And once this is done, then I have to flip this side like this like this and staple all the way like here, and same thing I have to do it on the other side. Let me show you how easy to staple this part. So this part and this two clothes are overlapping like this. So just take the stapler like this and that's it. So you have the as long as you have the good heavy duty stapler, you can do it without any efforts. So let me finish this part, and then I'll finish one side of the stapling of this particular part, and then I have to do the same thing on the other side. I'll show you the other side, and I'll show you the finished side also. And this is how it looks after stapling the one side, and this is kind of stretched out the entire cloth. And once we reverse it back, you will hardly see the difference. The only difference you are going to see is that the headrest is the headrest is going to be leather, and the seat is basically the cloth. So as I mentioned earlier, you can do the same thing for the both headrest as well as for the seat, and your chair will look very nice, just like the new one. So the only part remaining in this part is now basically do the same thing on this side and staple it the way I did it on the other side. Once this is done, I have to attach the headrest on the side of this base, and we are done. And here how it looks after stapling both the sides. The cloth is stretched out, and let me reverse this part and show you how exactly it looks from the top now. and see, it looks very nice. Now I'm going to attach the headrest and the side hands to the base, and it will looks the proper chair. One more thing I just want to point out, that the place where your handrails are going to go, you have to make a small cut over there to expose the place where you are going to tighten these screws. So two on this side and two on this side, right? So, and now we are ready to just install the rest on the seat, which is basically the straightforward thing. Attach the headrest, attach this headrest assembly, and just screw it using the Allen screw. So I've screwed the headrest and the side on the seat using the Allen screw on both the sides, and now it is just placing the covers on this area where it was originally from where originally we removed, both on this side and this side. And we are done. Let me show you the chair, how the chair looks now with the complete assembly. So this is how it looks. It just looks like new, and this is how to fix the chair and use it again instead of throwing the chair.